Hello everyone, here's Evita. Good afternoon. It's early in the afternoon and we are invited by a good friend of ours tonight for dinner at his place. So I would like to make a bouquet for his girlfriend. So I'd like to pick up some flowers to make a bouquet. I would like to keep it in a white, purple, lavender palette. So I'd like to pick up some of the green envy zinnias. There are still a lot of butterflies and bees feeding on them, but I'll just pick up a few. This one is more in the pastel pink shade, but I think I'll add to it anyway. So I'm done cutting some flowers from the garden. I might still have to cut some greeneries